The 5-liter slim air fryer. Now I take this video for you. And this model we already changed it to the colorful control panels. It's a slim size. You see, it's slim, and the weight is only 23 cm. And you see the basket is slim, so it can good for cooking fish. There is a crisper plant in the basket with a non-stick coating, and the inside you see is also metal, full metal on the around, and the bottom is metal, and the top is the stainless steel heating plant. Okay, now we connect the power to see the effect. The handles cover can change color to silver colors. It's a sticker, you can change to silver color like metal. Now we connect the power, you see the control panels. Now it's light on. We turn on this on-off button. Then the 6 menus, you can select the first menu is air fryer, second is bake, third is roast, and then broil, and then dehydrate, and then reheat. It's colorful. And the top, the LED can show timer and the temperature. Now temperature, you can select 200 to 80. 200 to 80. Okay. Temperature 10, you can select from we can select from 1 hour to 5 minutes. It depends on the different programs. For example, dehydrate, it can be 8 hours, 5 to 6 minutes timer. Okay, 1 to 6 minute timer. After we select the time and temperature, we press the start button. Now it works. It begin works, and the LED will show the temperature and the timer. The menu will light on. When you take out the basket, it will automatically stop. Automatic stop. Then it will start rework again. And also this model, you can select the transparent windows. You can select the SS housing, and also you can select the bottom heater. Now this model, the bottom is not without heater. You can select the bottom heater. Okay, you turn off it. Just stop, and then press and hold for 2 seconds. Turn off.